homework. Yesterday I have given you a work. Yes, bache. It was a crossword puzzle which you were supposed to solve, and now we are going to discuss answers of the same. Right? So please open the questions that I have sent you, and then we will discuss the answers for the same. Okay, so first one, across. Across me, number one, it was intangible force. Answers for the same. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So many. Sanya. Yes, Sanya?
Management.
Very good. It is an intangible force, that is management. Across में चल रहे हैं अभी हम. Number 2 is application in all types and all sizes of organization. Okay, the answer from Mitali.
Planning.
बेटे planning नहीं है. It's not planning. Applicable everywhere. Okay, Jasmine.
Pervasive.
Pervasive, very good. Management is all pervasive. It is applicable everywhere in all sizes and all types of organization. Yes. Third one is across में पढ़ रहे हैं. Providing free education to the children of the employees is a kind of objective in the management. Which type of objective it is to provide free education? Yes, so many students are there. Prabjot.
Social objective.
Very right. It is social objective. Next is personalized application of knowledge is there. Okay, so the answer Tamanna.
Ma'am, art.
Very good. Management is an art because it requires personalized application. Fifth is it is ever changing. It is ever changing. Okay, Harmeen.
Ma'am, dynamic.
Very good. It is dynamic in nature. Management is dynamic. Next is survival is a kind of objective of the management. What type of objective it is? So I'm going to ask Kavya.
Ma'am, organizational objective.
Okay, it is organizational objective. जिसको हम economic objectives भी लेते हैं, ठीक है? Next is doing the right thing. ये कल ही day before yesterday I have taught you doing the right things. Okay, so many hands. Aditi.
Efficient.
Efficient. Kannam.
Effectiveness.
Yes, it is effective, bete. I have asked you to note it down. ना भूल गए फिर से. Doing the right thing, सही काम करना. सही काम means आपको बोल रहा है कि 40 minutes की क्लास लेनी, you have taken 40 minutes की क्लास. That is effective. You have done the right work at right time. Effective. ठीक है? Okay, now downwards. First is this level consists of departmental heads. Which level it is? Departmental heads किस level पे होते हैं? Okay, Manya.
Middle level.
Very good. It is middle level. अभी पढ़ा है आज ही हमने. Next is providing good working condition. Providing good working condition is what type of objective of the organization? Answer will be given by. किसको chance नहीं? Ketan. Yes, Ketan.
Personal objective.
It is personal objective. Very good. Personal objective और जो हम अपने employees को देते हैं. Then it's doing things right. Doing things right. Okay.
Efficiency.
मैंने तो पूछा नहीं अभी. I was just looking कि कोई new hand अगर raise हुए. There are so many students, बेटे 32 participants, 2 chief teachers, and then 30 students are there. Just I can see only 8 children raising their hand. Only 8 children out of 30. बाकियों ने नहीं पढ़ाई करी है. हिमानी. Yes, Himani.
Efficiency.
Efficiency. Things right. In a right way, in an efficient manner, in a cost-saving manner, then it is. Aditi, is it clear, bete? Please note it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. नेक्स्ट इज रैंकिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ जॉब पोजीशन. आज मैंने ये वर्ड यूज किया था. व्हेन वी आर सेटिंग द लेवल्स ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट, देन व्हाट वी आर यूज्ड टू डू, इट्स बिट ट्रिकी maybe. Okay, we have so many. Manya, yes Manya?
Hierarchy.
Hierarchy, very good. It is hierarchy. Setting like level set करना, job positions को hierarchy में डाल के हम करते हैं. Then this level is represented by supervisors, workers, supervisors, etc. Which level it is? Supervisor होते हैं जहाँ पे. Okay, Prabjot.
Lower level.
Lower level, very right. Next is integration of group efforts. ये शायद मैंने आज बताया था आपको. This topic we have not done till now. Okay, संयम. ये संयम.
मैम पिछले क्वेश्चन के लिए हैंड रेज था.
मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दिया बेटे.
मैम पिछले क्वेश्चन के लिए हैंड रेज करा था.
Okay, पिछले क्वेश्चन के लिए था. तो ये वाला नहीं आता है. When we are integrating the group efforts, what do we call it? Yes. Okay, Aditi.
Ma'am, coordination.
Very good. It is coordination. आज कितनी बार ये word use किया है सुबह से? Coordination means to coordinate group efforts. सबको sync में काम करवाना है. Okay. Next is the highest level in the management hierarchy. सबसे easiest question है. I want all 30 students to raise their hands, and I will ask anyone. Okay, this question will be answered by Mandeep. Mandeep? Yes.
Top level manager.
Very good. So why you are not raising your hand? It's very easy question. Okay, one more question from Chahat. Yes, Chahat. Chahat is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bete, how many levels of management are there?
I'm top, middle, lower.
Very good. Tanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how many functions of management are there?
Planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling.
Very good. तो ये सारे बच्चों को तो आते हैं क्वेश्चन. तो why you are not raising your hand? Okay, Vandana. बेटे, what are the Vandana? Okay, what are different objectives of management? How many types of objectives are there?
Many types have objective.
Okay.
Organization objective,
Mm-hmm.
personal objective, and social objective.
Very good. There are 3 types. तो सबको ये चैप्टर मुझे लगता है अच्छे से आता है. Okay, Kashvi is also there. Yes, Kashvi. What are various features of management? 2 feature आपने बताने.
It is a goal-oriented process, and it is a dynamic activity, and it is
That's all.
Continuous.
Two only. Sanchi, 2 more management features. Sanchi, I can see you on the screen. Yes. I think she can't hear me. Am I audible to you, Sanchi? Okay, no problem. Harmeen, you can answer. Name 2 features of management other than the 2 which have been given by Kashvi. Harmeen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bete. Features of management. We have done it on the first day.
Ma'am, management is a science.
Bete, that is nature of management. I am asking you features of management. You are going to do it today. Sab bachche revise karenge, and then I'll ask you this type of questions again in upcoming some other class. Hina Taneja.
management is a continuous process, and it can only be felt.
So what feature it is that it can't be seen, it can only be felt? Iska feature kya hai?
Ma'am, it is an intangible force.
Very good. It is intangible. Chahat also want to answer. Chahat, 2 more features.
Management are universal and management are multidimensional.
Management is universal को एक और नाम से हम बोलते हैं. It is some other word which is being used.
Continuous process.
Universal के लिए एक और word use किया है हमने.
All pervasive.
all
Very good.
pervasive.
It is all pervasive. Management is all pervasive. It is applicable everywhere. Okay. So that's all for this exercise. And now we are going to discuss with MCQs, right? MCQs, I'll be telling you the question and then options. तो आपने correct option जो है वो बतानी है. People in the organization carry out diverse tasks with the aim to achieve options, different objectives, common objectives, both of the above, none of the above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Okay, Sanyam.
Common objective.
Very good. Common objectives are to be achieved. Next question is, थोड़ा बड़ा question है, ध्यान से सुनना. Feature of management का ही question है ये. In order to get admission in chartered accountancy course, Yash had to appear for a series of examination as the admission criteria was very strict. Whereas his cousin Faisal joined a management college to pursue the diploma course without any much formalities. Identify the related feature of management as profession being discussed here. Options. It is a well-defined body of knowledge, professional association, ethical code of conduct, या restricted entry. थोड़ा सा tricky है. Only 3 students want to answer. Okay, Himani.
Restricted entry.
Very good. It is restricted entry. Only once you are passing the exam, then you will get the entry in that particular course. So that is restricted entry. Okay, next question is, which of the following statement highlights that management is a group activity? कौन सी statement से पता चला? I'm giving you some statements. First is, organization is a collection of diverse individuals with different needs. Number 2, organization of achievement of common goals require teamwork and coordination of efforts in a common direction. Each member of the organization may have different individual goals, but they must travel together to achieve a common goal. And last is all of the above. Okay, 4, 3. Ashwinder Kaur. Yes, bete.
Ma'am, second one.
Second one. Okay. Anyone else who want to answer? Sanyam.
Ma'am, all of the above.
All of the above is the right answer. All the options which I have given you all shows that management is a group activity. सब में यही बात हुई कि group efforts है, सबको मिलके काम करना है और goal achieve करना है. ठीक है जी? तो second one was also right, but all the 3 options are correct. Okay, next is ये नहीं किया हमने कल. Keeping in view the changes in the customer demands and preferences, Tastemaker Bakery, bakery का नाम है Tastemaker Bakery, has reduced sugar and fat content in its products. This approach of business shows that management is options: intangible, group activity, dynamic function या multi-dimensional activity. Okay, केतन ने सबसे पहले हाथ ऊपर किया था. Yes, केतन.
Dynamic.
Very good. It is dynamic. As per the situation, the company is changing its taste and flavor, right? Next question. Which of the following is not an organizational objective? जो नहीं है वो बता दो. ठीक है? Option: earning enough revenue to cover the cost, earning sufficient profit to cover risk of the business, increase in prospects of the business in long run. Fourth is providing free education to the employees' children. Okay, now so many hands. Kannav.
Providing education, free education to children of employees.
Employees. So why it is not organizational objective? What type of objective it is?
I mean, it is a social objective.
Very good. It is a social objective. Okay. Next is, which of the following statements is not relevant to the concept that management is an inexact science? कौन सी statement इसमें relevant नहीं है? थोड़ा ट्रिकी सा है, चलिए पढ़ लेते हैं. फर्स्ट इज द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट लैक्स यूनिवर्सल वैलिडिटी. नंबर 2, द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट लैक्स यूनिवर्सल एप्लीकेबिलिटी. ये बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट है, पहले समझ ही लेते हैं. यूनिवर्सल वैलिडिटी और यूनिवर्सल एप्लीकेबिलिटी में डिफरेंस है. यूनिवर्सल वैलिडिटी मींस इट इज वैलिड एवरीवेयर. यस, मैनेजमेंट का प्रिंसिपल सेज फॉर एग्जांपल कि अगर हम अच्छी गुड सैलरी देते हैं अपने एम्प्लॉय को तो ही विल गेट मोटिवेटेड. इट इज वैलिड एवरीवेयर but it is not applicable everywhere because when we apply it the results may be different, but we can apply it. Got it? So this the principle of management lacks universal applicability. Next option is the principles of management have to be modified according to the situation. Yes, then management involves dealing with human behavior and outcomes cannot be predicted with the utmost accuracy. So all these statements are true, जिनसे ये प्रूव होता है कि मैनेजमेंट जो है इट इज इनएग्जैक्ट साइंस. सिर्फ एक स्टेटमेंट है जिससे नहीं होता था, दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट लैक्स यूनिवर्सल एप्लीकेबिलिटी बिकॉज इट इज नॉट एवरीवेयर अप्लाइड. लाइक वी कैन अप्लाई बट इट्स रिजल्ट्स आर नॉट श्योर एवरी टाइम, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट इज authority and responsibility relationship that exist in an organization gives rise to. उससे क्या होता है? authority and responsibility से क्या होता है? options are different functions of the organization बनते हैं. number 2, different levels of the organization बनते हैं. number 3, management multidimensional हो जाती है या फिर management group activity होती है. so right answer is Jasmine wants to answer.
Different levels of the management.
Very good. It gives rise to different levels of the organization क्योंकि authority and responsibility relationship हम उसी में पढ़ते हैं. Next is which of the following is not a designation in top level. इनमें से top level में कौन सा नहीं है? Option president, chairman, vice president and production manager. Okay, so many new hands. Vanshika wants to say. Vanshika,
Production manager.
why he is not a part of top level?
Ma'am, because production level, ma'am, he's a part in lower level.
Lower level or
Ma'am.
middle level?
Middle level.
तुक्का लगा रहे हो तुम. चलिए. Okay, next is which of the following is not a designation in middle level now? ठीक है, options है operational heads, chief operating officer, sales manager या divisional manager. Who is not a part of this middle level? हाँ जी, संयम.
chief operating officer.
वेरी गुड. इट इज चीफ ऑपरेटिंग हमने पढ़ा है. सीईओ जो होता है उसी के साथ ये सेम ही वो है डेजिग्नेशन, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ टॉप लेवल. नेक्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ लोअर लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. कौन सा नहीं है? ऑप्शन प्लांट सुपरिटेंडेंट, सेक्शन ऑफिसर, सुपरवाइजर या मार्केटिंग मैनेजर. Okay, Jasmine. No, Jasmine. Okay, wait. Ashwinder.
Ma'am, marketing manager.
Why he is not a part of lower level?
Because he is in the middle level of the management.
Very good. He is a member of middle level of management. Very right answer. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is a function of top level? Top level का function बताना है कौन सा? 4 options होंगी. First is ensure good quality product, output अच्छी हो. Number 2, assigning necessary duties and responsibility to their department. Number 3, taking responsibility of all the activities of the business and its impact on the society. Number 4, ensure that safety standards are being maintained in the company. कौन सा function है वो बताना है. चारों में से एक ही है. ओके, 1 2 3. संयम.
मैम थर्ड वाली ऑप्शन.
थर्ड वाली ऑप्शन क्या थी? थर्ड वाली ऑप्शन थी
And to take responsibilities of all the things.
Yes, responsibility of all the activities of the company और उसका जो impact है society पे वो देखना. Moreover, जो good quality of the output है और safety standard है, ये किसका काम है? 2 points और थे, ये बताना है अब आपने. Safety standards maintain हो रहा है कि नहीं और quality. अदिति?
Middle.
No, middle level वालों ने क्या करना? मशीन ने थोड़ी देखनी उन्होंने कि आउटपुट सही हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. It's the work of which level?
Lower level.
लोअर लेवल का काम है सेफ्टी. मैंने सुबह ही बताया आपको, सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड्स मेंटेन कर रहे हैं. ग्लव्स पहन के जा रहा है हमारा वर्कर कि नहीं, गॉगल्स लगा रहा है, शूज सेफ्टी शूज पहन रहा है कि नहीं पहन रहा है. दिस इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ लोअर लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. क्वालिटी आउटपुट देखना लोअर लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. और मिडिल लेवल का काम क्या है? यहाँ पे एक वर्ड था, एक स्टेटमेंट थी, असाइनिंग नेसेसरी ड्यूटीज टू देयर डिपार्टमेंट. वो है डिपार्टमेंटल हेड्स का काम, मिडिल लेवल का काम. ठीक है जी. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज मिडिल लेवल का काम जो नहीं है वो बताना है. ठीक है, 4 ऑप्शंस हैं. एक जो नहीं है वो बताना है, नॉट ऑप्शन. दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द ऑपरेशनल मैनेजर्स. नंबर 2, they are responsible for the welfare and survival of the company. Number 3, they interpret the policies made by top level, cooperate with other departments for smooth functioning of the business. चारों ऑप्शन सुन ली हैं, अब आपने आंसर करना है. मिताली ने सबसे पहले हाथ खड़ा कर दिया था एक ही ऑप्शन सुन के, बाकी 3 सुनी नहीं थी. यस मिताली?
Responsible for all the activities.
Why you think this is the answer?
Because top management is responsible for all the activities.
Very right answer. Because top level is responsible for overall welfare of the company. तो इनका वो काम नहीं है, बाकी सब काम जो है वो middle level का है. Next is which of the following is not a function of lower level. अब lower level का जो नहीं है वो बताना. ठीक है, सारी ऑप्शन सुना करो पहले. Option: analyze the business environment and its impact on the survival of the company. Number 2, ensure the quality of the output. Number 3, strive to reduce the wastage of resources. Number 4, to ensure that safety standards are being maintained in the organization. अब तो आना चाहिए आंसर. It is very easy now. Okay, Ketan.
And first.
फर्स्ट वाला क्यों है इसका आंसर? व्हाई?
क्योंकि मैम बाकी 3 जो है वो इनके हैं.
तो ये किसका है? फर्स्ट वाला ऑप्शन था एनालाइज द बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट एंड इट्स इंपैक्ट ऑन द ओवरऑल सर्वाइवल ऑफ द कंपनी. ये किसका काम है? हु विल लुक इनटू दिस मैटर? यस तानिया.
Top level.
Very good. It is the work of top level. That is why it is not being done by them. Okay. Okay. Next is, ये सोच के आंसर करना, थोड़ा सा इजी है. Question is, identify the level of management which does not interact with the workforce directly. Which does not interact with the workforce directly. ठीक है, डायरेक्ट जो नहीं करते हैं. मिताली, ऑप्शन तो सुन लो. चलिए, ऑप्शंस आर सुपरवाइजरी मैनेजमेंट, ऑपरेशनल मैनेजमेंट, फर्स्ट लाइन मैनेजर्स, मिडिल लेवल मैनेजर्स. चलिए, अब सबको पता है इसका आंसर. ऑल ऑफ यू नोज. अश्विंदर को पूछते हैं. आज अश्विंदर पहले दिन मुझे लग रहा है क्लास में आंसर कर रही है. अश्विंदर, यू आर नॉट अटेंडिंग योर क्लासेस रेगुलरली?
Ma'am, I am attending regularly.
But you are not raising your hand every day. Today is some special day. चलिए, आंसर करिए.
First line managers.
फर्स्ट लाइन मैनेजर कौन होते हैं? Who are first line managers? सुबह तो बताया आपको. Yes, Kannab will answer. Kannab, who are first line managers?
First line managers directly communicate with the workforce. They are the lower level of.
Very good, very good. But this question is कि who does not interact directly. So what will be the answer?
Last option, middle level managers.
Very good. Middle level manager will not directly interact. बाकी 3 options थी, supervisory management, operational management and first line managers. ये तीनों ऑप्शन लोअर लेवल का ही अदर नेम है, सुबह बताया था आपको। These 3 options are the other names of lower level of management. Okay. Next is organizing as a function of management. Organizing कल पढ़ा था। Organizing as a function of management involves deciding, क्या decide करना है? Options. What activities and resources are required? Number 2, who will do a particular task? Number 3, where it will be done? Number 4, all of the above. Okay, Sanyam.
Ma'am, all of the above.
All of the above is the right answer. ये सारा कुछ ही हम organizing में करते हैं. Okay. Next is the function of management. Important question है ये, ध्यान से सुनना. The function of management which is related to grouping of activities to be carried out in the business into departments and creating management hierarchy. Management hierarchy set करते हैं, departments बनाते हैं. Which function is it? जिसकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ. आपने ना ये keywords लिख लेने हैं कहीं कि ये जो 2 keywords मैंने बोले, एक hierarchy set करते हैं, दूसरा departments बनाते हैं. Which function is involved therein? Option तुम्हें पता ही है, 5 function है मैनेजमेंट के, उनमें से कोई एक आंसर है. I am not giving you options. So now you will tell me. Ketan is the only one who raises his hand. Ketan,
Organizing.
very right answer. It is organizing. Please note it down, each one of you, कि these are the keywords for organizing. Case study 6 marks में भी आ सकती है आपको ऐसे कि बड़ी सी एक स्टोरी दी है, उसमें ये 2-3 words आपने ढूंढने हैं. They will ask which function of management is there. You will write organizing. Then उसके आगे वो कुछ और पूछेंगे, उसकी importance पूछेंगे या उसकी process पूछेंगे. Whatever they will ask. But this type of question can be there. This is the most trickiest question. जो बच्चों को लगता है कि आइडेंटिफाई करना है फंक्शन, उनको लगता है सारे फंक्शन है इसमें, तो कीवर्ड्स आपने साथ साथ में नोट करने हैं. ओके ओके. नेक्स्ट इज, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, द फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट रिलेटेड टू लेइंग डाउन द फाउंडेशन. कौन सा फंक्शन है जो फाउंडेशन ले करता है? द फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट विच इज रिलेटेड टू लेइंग डाउन द फाउंडेशन फॉर कैरिंग आउट ऑल द अदर फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. कौन सा ऐसा फंक्शन है? कल भी बताया होगा मैंने आपको. काशवी.
Planning.
Very right answer. Again इसका कीवर्ड लिख लीजिए. Planning is the function which laid down the basis for all other functions of management, right? That is planning. Okay, एक और क्वेश्चन है, शायद हमने ये अभी क्लास में किया नहीं है, but I hope you will be able to do. It is a force that binds all the functions of management. सुबह भी बताया था, सारे functions को इकट्ठे कोऑर्डिनेट करके कराने के लिए कौन सी फोर्स है जो उनको बाइंड करती है? ऑप्शंस आर कोऑपरेशन, कोऑर्डिनेशन, प्लानिंग या मैनेजमेंट हायरार्की. हरमीन शेरगिल.
मैम कोऑर्डिनेशन.
वेरी गुड, इट इज कोऑर्डिनेशन. कोऑर्डिनेशन मींस अ फोर्स व्हिच बाइंड्स ऑल द फंक्शंस टुगेदर. ठीक है बेटे, इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू नाउ? Yes, is it clear? So these are various MCQs which I have with me. Okay, one more MCQ is there. Let's discuss that too, if possible. That is again the answer is coordination. Coordination actually we will do on Monday, so we will discuss it later. So these are basic questions which can be there when the paper will be there, and MCQs form में अगर question आते हैं तो ऐसे आ सकते हैं. Otherwise case studies can be there. Monday we will cover the topic of coordination, and then afterwards we will go for the case studies. Right? After each chapter we will do 2 things. The first thing is MCQs which we have done today, and second thing is case studies which we are going to do after every chapter. Right? That we will do after Monday, on Monday or afterwards in the upcoming classes. So till now, I think all these topics are clear. Management, meaning, features, objectives, nature of management, functions of management, and levels of management. This much we have done till now, and I hope I am clear on this. In case you have any doubt, you can ask me.